Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushmita. Today our topic of discussion is Waldent Smart LED Curing Light. But before starting this video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get new video updates. So without further ado, let's get started. Waldent Smart LED Curing Light comes with the ultra mini design used for photopolymerization of resin-based composite and different dental materials that are to be cured using LED lights. The dental LED curing lights use light-emitting diode that produce a narrow spectrum of blue light in the 400 to 500 nanometer range with a peak wavelength of about 460 nanometer, which is the useful energy range for activating the camphorquinone molecule most commonly used to initiate the photopolymerization of dental monomers. Waldent Smart LED Curing Light comes in three popping colors, that is blue, mustard yellow and green. It has an ultra mini elegant design that makes it convenient for clinical use. Waldent Smart LED Curing Light comes with a main unit, fiber probe, charger with adapter, light shield and an instruction manual. Attach the fiber probe on the top of the main unit and then connect the light shield. On the front face of the main unit from the top, there is a power button, then the LED display followed by the time setting button and the mode setting button. It has three working modes: strong, flashing. Gradually strong. The intensity of Waldent Smart LED Curing Light is more than 1500 milliwatt per square centimeter. To demonstrate the working of Waldent Smart LED Curing Light, I have already prepared a class 1 cavity in the Typhodon. Place the first increment of composite in the prepared cavity with the help of cement carrier. Now turn on the Waldent Smart LED Curing Light and select the required mode and cure the composite for 10 to 15 seconds. Then place the next increment of composite and cure it. User can choose whichever mode is suitable or required. Then place the final increment Finally, check if the restoration has cured well by running a dental probe in the restored cavity. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the content of this video, then click the subscribe button so you can receive notification for more such videos.